Learn English. A phrase is a group of words without a finite verb. A phrase is sensibly arranged within the sentence and conveys a single idea. A phrase can never stand alone, but is always part of a sentence. A phrase is also referred to as a fragment of a sentence. The shop around the corner is open 24 hours a day. The company, specializing in travel, received the award. Phrases may be classified as 1. Adjectival phrases. These qualify, tell us more about, the noun. 2. Noun phrases. These answer the questions who or what in connection with the noun. 3. Adverbial phrases. These modify the verb and answer the questions as indicated. 1. Adjectival phrases. These qualify, tell us more about, the noun. Examples of adjectival phrases are: the model with the dazzling smile came from England. Are the shoes under the chair yours? She seemed extremely pleasant. The movie was not too terribly long. The girl in the red shirt is my little sister. Enjoyed this video? Then please subscribe for more videos from Learn English.